Hey guys, how are we doing? Welcome to my chat. So sorry, this week's analysis is coming a little bit late. I had a whole lot to do yesterday, so I couldn't record this video. However, we're still right on time, for the market party. Okay, so let's quickly go through the analysis for this week. But before we do that, this week is NFP. The non-farm payroll news will be coming out on Friday, and Thursday is FOMC meeting minutes. And so between Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market is really going to get like very crazy. So my analysis for the week, I would practically advise that you stick to it for Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, so that you don't get caught up in the craziness that will be coming on the market by Thursday and Friday. So it's really going to get crazy, like really crazy, Thursday and Friday. Okay, so but however, these are the charts I'm currently looking at to trade off between now and Wednesday. Okay, so let's start off with the Euro GBP. Euro GBP has been on this trend line for a while, since 21st of December, and it has been just pretty riding this trend line all the way. So the trend line has actually touched here, it has touched here, it has touched here, here, and here. Okay, so actually I'm a bit skeptical, because it's very possible that this trend line would be broken on the next touch, but I'm actually willing to take the risk, because on a daily time frame, as you can see, it has clearly taken out this high here. That's clearly taken out this high here, and it looks like it has taken out this high here, because it's already ranging at this high. And I mean, a high like this, for you to actually come to this high, that is, and just play around this, it looks like it's actually going to we're going to be seeing a break up to the upside to actually go and test this other high right here. Okay, so that is actually why I'm still having a very bullish disposition on the Euro GBP. So on the 4-hour chart, as you can see too, it's still looking like really bullish, although we are seeing these rejections from this resistance here, but I don't think it will actually deter me from buying. Okay, so once this market actually retraces back to this trend line right here, I'll still be willing to push it up, but my stop losses will be quite tight, but I'm still willing to push it up to the upside. Okay, so let's go over to Euro USD. So I'm still very much bullish on the Euro USD. Let me tell you why. If you look on a daily time frame, this is where this market is likely headed. Okay, because this area this zone here was actually a support here that was broken. It became a resistance, and this is same zone applicable to this place. So it was a support here, a minor support here, and as you can see, it was actually a major resistance here. So I think this is where this market is ultimately headed. It got very close, almost touched that zone, but didn't quite touch it. So I'm thinking, I know for sure anyway, that this market will likely push to that zone. So I'm very much bullish. I'm very much bullish on the Euro USD. Okay, so if I see my candlestick patterns, if I see my entry indicators on Euro USD, I'll be willing to enter in on this trade, okay, for a buy. Now, Euro card, I'm bullish too on the Euro card. One of the reasons is because this 50 MA has been clearly broken on the 4 hours, and it looks like it has gone for a retest, which is actually it's happening right now. So if I see my candlestick patterns, that indicate my entries on the 1 hour chart or on the 4 hour chart, but especially on the 1 hour chart, because if I should wait for the 4 hour chart to give my indicator, it might take a little while, and I want to execute the trades between now and Wednesday. Okay, so the Euro card is looking good for a bullish momentum. Okay, so that's my bias on the Euro card. Now the GBPCHF is actually giving me some form of indicators, but I'll just have to be patient on this one, because I'm looking for a very good retracement, at least to the 61.8, which I would love for it to coincide with this 50 MA on a 4-hour chart. Okay, so if we pull out Fibonacci from here to here, from here to here, so as you can see, 1.8 coincides with this 50 MA right here. So if I get a pullback to the 61.8 level, I'll be willing to jump in for a sell. Okay, so that's my that's pretty my bias on the GBPCHF. Now I looked at the EURGBP, the GBPJPY, and I mean this is clearly a trap. This is, for as far as I'm concerned, is actually a trap right here, because anything can happen at this point on the JPY pairs. Anything can really happen, so I will just be avoiding them, especially now that we're having NFP around the corner. I will definitely be avoiding all the JPY pairs, because they can really go crazy like anytime, any day. Okay, with what I'm seeing right now, it has the potential of going like really crazy all the way down, you can break this course. If you look all the way backwards, this is like the next reasonable support we're looking at. But from what I'm already seeing here, this I don't think it has enough gas, enough energy to run it all the way down, because it has just been having this bearish pressure. So I mean, the buyers at this moment will probably be a little bit exhausted, because it has clearly cleared a lot of other blocks around here. Okay, so this market will likely, what I'm expecting, I'm not looking to trade this anyway, but this is just, I'm just giving you guys this info. I'm probably expecting something like this. Then if it wants to push all the way down, it should clearly push all the way down. But it's still possible that this thing can just move all the way down, because there are still other blocks to be cleared somewhere down below here, because there are a lot, because this support right here, there are a lot of others that will be directly below this, so you can just clear it off. I mean, just keep bearing all the way down. So that's actually a possibility for the JPY pair. So I'm hoping that you've been able to learn something. I'm hoping that these analysis will actually help you to do some trading for yourself during this week. So cheers, have a wonderful time trading the market. All the best. Bye.